Hi guys, one sound, only one-piece design. 5 kVA inverter, MPPT, 10 kilowatt-hour batteries into one unit. So this is 3-in-1. Slim design, can be wall-mounted and also can be standalone.
Let us check all the collections here one by one. Just need to simply collect with solar panels. It will form a complete power station. SOC of the battery now is around 50% of the power inside.
Okay, let us power on the all-in-one system. Can be wall-mounted style. It can be wall-mounted style and also can be standalone style.